Finally got old Bart up on the lift. Just finished installing back the alky pump. Filter for the alky. I run all -4 Racetronics Teflon lines and fittings. There's the bulkhead connector over here. That goes to the reservoir that's in the trunk. It's a 3-gallon reservoir. So it comes out of there, into the pump, into the filter, around, and up to the front through the frame. Finally got a decent diff cover. Way back here really turned out well. It's nice and clean now for a change. Look at the floors on that. Hell yeah. It's tucked up really nicely. Got a hanger there. And they got another hanger right here. You can see I run it close to the floor, but not touching. Got enough clearance on the cross member. Had to modify the downpipe. Cut it here to take off the difference. So now the exhaust is pretty much level with the oil pan. Old PTC converter. Yeah, this is cherry. Look at that floor. Looking thicker than a Snicker. Ricketts Racing approved. That's how everything is nice and tucked. Lovely.